morning, guys. Yeah, just looking for my car. I don't know where it is. Here's Jeremy. He's my main man. How you going, big fella?
Mate.
Alrighty.
Lost his car.
Lost my car. Mug Falk. Should be right though. Should be apples. We'll just keep looking. Taking it easy in Port Melbourne. Just had a good BYC evening. Yeah, should be right. Here we got Dow Street and Rouse Street. Rouse like grouse, except it's not grouse if you lose your car. That's gross. Bit of poetry for you. I'm just vibing this way, but I don't know, so we'll have to see how we go. Keep you guys updated. Yep, alright.